Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera to all my friend and to Dr. Hafiza. We are from Group 3, want to present about case study for subject Discrete Math. First of all, let me introduce my group mate. Here we have Muhammad Izamuddin bin Muhammad Nasir, Amar Muaz bin Zaidi and me, Muhammad Zaini Danish bin Razak, Muhammad Farhan Iman bin Mahfuz, Muhammad Danish Fitri bin Asmawi, and Muhammad Akif Fahmi bin Muhammad Kamal. Next, we go into introduction about the problem. This is a problem faced by the contractor who need to carry out the task of upgrading the plumbing system in the school. Therefore, the school need to arrange the piping system well to avoid the high cost of funds. Find out how the contractor and the school discuss project plan to upgrade the piping system to the so that the length of pipes that need to be installed is reduced.
The next part of this presentation is the way we construct our graph. To construct the graph, we use a platform called Microsoft Visio. So firstly, we need to choose a template to design the graph, which is the basic diagram. To make the vertices, we choose circle from the basic shapes and adjust its size. Then we use the text box features on the menu to name or label the vertices. After that, we choose the connector features on the menu to create the edges. To make the line become straight, we use the right click option and choose the straight connector. To remove the arrow on the edges, we use the right click option again to change the line type. So for the weight on the edges, it will made by double tapping on the edges and insert the weight. So that is how we construct our graph using the Microsoft Visio. I will now explain about the vertices and edges in our graph. We use simple alphabets to represent as the vertices for the graph. A is referred to dorm, B is referred to dining hall, C is referred to hall, D is referred to academic block, E is referred to canteen, and F is referred to office. The edges are represented with weight, and they are referring to the distance between two vertices or places, such as the distance between vertex A and B is 70 meters.
Next, I will present about how the algorithm is used to solve the problem. Our group has chosen the Kruskal algorithm to solve this problem. As you can see in the image, this is our original graph. The numbers on the arcs indicate their weight. In this original graph, none of the arcs are highlighted. In this graph, FE is the shortest arc with length 30. In this case, FE was immediately chosen since it is the shortest arc, so it is highlighted. The next shorter arc is FB with length 45, so it is also highlighted using the same method. The process continues to highlight the next shortest arc, which is EA with length 60, so it is also highlighted same as iteration 1 and iteration 2. Next, for iteration 4, BC and FC is the next shortest arc after FE, FB and EA, both with length 65. And BC has been arbitrarily chosen, so BC is highlighted. So lastly, CD, AB and FA all have the same length, which is 70. But CD has been chosen since there already exists a path between F and A. So it will form a cycle which is FEA if it were chosen. And also same situation that will happen if BA were chosen. It will form a cycle which is FEAB. So finally, the process finish with the arc CD with length 70 and the minimum spanning tree is found. And now I will continue to talk about conclusion. So as an outcome, in this case, we can use the Kruskal algorithm approach to design the pipe system in the school so that its length is decreased while the cost of spending is lowered. Furthermore, we must keep the weights given to the connecting edge to a minimum. As a consequence, the Kruskal algorithm method may be used to shorten the pipe, yielding the smallest length of 270 meters. Finally, expenditures and length of the school plumbing system may be lowered. That's all from our group. Thank you.